What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with a brand new way that we haven't talked about on this channel before. Now, the way to make money with this isn't new, but the strategy we're going to use to make money with it is new, if that makes sense. You'll understand in a second. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this step by step. You're not going to need your own website or anything like that. And more importantly, guys, this works worldwide. So let's jump into this tutorial and I'll show you how to make money online with this new method. Let's get started. All right, guys, so to make money with this method, we're going to be using a method called affiliate marketing, but I'm going to show you how to do it in a brand new way. So affiliate marketing is where you find products and you promote those products and you go ahead and you get a commission for promoting those specific products. But what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you a brand new platform that we can use to make a lot of money with this. So let's get started. All right, guys, now you might want to use ChatGPT for this method. You don't actually have to use it, but it is going to make this a lot easier for you. So let's get started on how you can make money with this. Now, this is going to be a very quick video because this method is extremely easy to do and understand. So if we go to a website here called whoop.com, this is a website where people upload courses, groups, paid groups, and things like that, right? So like communities. Now, if we go to Discover here, these are the types of communities that people have going. And these are the kind of like categories, right? So we have agencies, careers, sports betting, reselling, miscellaneous, business, dating, travel, trading, fitness, real estate, recreation, e-commerce, and there's more. And what these groups are is these are essentially groups that people pay to join, and they pay a monthly fee to join these specific groups. Now, the first thing to make money with this is we need to choose a specific topic to get started. So I'm going to pick one that I'm already in, that I have a little bit of knowledge in. You don't have to have knowledge in any of these though. And I'm going to go to trading because I do a lot of trading. Now, what these are is these are trading groups where people usually give out what is called signals. Now, these signals are trading signals that people will post online, and then their members will copy these signals and make money in the Forex trading, gold trading, etc. Right? Bitcoin trading as well. So that's what these groups are. Now, if we actually go back to these groups, I'll show you exactly how you can make money with this. If we click on this one, for example, this is the group here, and people can get access, and it has 3 plans, okay? So the first plan is free. People are going to get in for free. And then there's a $47 a month one that includes some extra stuff. Then there's a $1,000 a month one that includes a lot more stuff. Now, if we go to the bottom of this, you will see that it says earn money by bringing customers to this specific group. So we would get 30% of these of the price here, right? He's giving away 30%. So if we come up here, we're gonna not get anything on the free, but that's okay, obviously, because it's free. We're gonna get 30% on the 47, and if someone buys the 1,000 lifetime, we're gonna get $300 from that. So how do we go ahead and make money from doing this? First of all, what I recommend you do is you list out 5 groups or 10 groups. Let me show you here. So I'm gonna go and get an affiliate link for multiple groups, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually copy the URL of the group first, and then I'm going to put the affiliate link underneath it because I don't need the affiliate link right away. I'm going to go to add to my affiliate dashboard. Once you've added it to your affiliate dashboard, you want to go to affiliate dashboard, and then you can get the link here. I already have it. So I've doubled up. Oh, I've got one down here. I'm going to go copy affiliate link. I'm going to go to here and I'm going to paste that affiliate link, okay? Doesn't matter what it looks like. Now I'm going to do that 4 more times by going to Discover, and I'm going to go to Trading again, and I'm going to find 4 more groups, okay? Now you want to find some that have a good price. So you want to check the price. So that's only $1 a month. I'm not going to bother with that because you would need thousands of people to sign up to that one. This one we are looking at pricing wise, free. So free lifetime, no point. We obviously want to get ones that are paid. Now to find paid ones, you actually want to find ones that don't have many people in them, or free ones that are free but have plans like the one I just showed you before. All right, this one here is $300 for 6 months. If we go down to the bottom, she does not actually have an affiliate link, so we can't promote that one. So it is going to take you a little bit just to go through and find ones that are suitable to promote. So I'll actually find 4 more and I will come back and show you. All right, I actually found another good one here. This is a great example. So this one is free lifetime again, then $120 a month, then $450 a month. Now, the reason you want to do free lifetime ones, I mean, you don't have to, it's because you get people in the door for free, okay? So they get in for free and there's a high chance they could potentially get onto a subscription. If you send people to some that are just a straight up price from the start, the problem with that is that they might just be not interested and they might just leave. If you get them in for free, they're in that group and there's a high chance they're going to upgrade to the next tier, okay? So this is a good one as well. All right, guys, so I found 4 that I'm going to use right here. I've got rid of the affiliate links because I don't need them right now. I'm going to copy these 4 and we're going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to say to ChatGPT, write me an article, a long article based on these trading groups. Review each one and write a snippet about them. These are the best trading groups. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the groups here. I messed that up. Let's just stop here. All right, so it has written me, it's actually pretty good. It's written me some reviews about these particular things. And then what we can do is we want to get our affiliate links ready. So what do we actually do with this right now? There are multiple things that we can do to make money with this. The next step, of course, is we need to go ahead and get people to view our article. So if we actually go to Google right here and it says top Forex groups, if we scroll down and we open up this one right here, you'll see that this is pretty much what we're doing, and this will have affiliate links, right? So these are all going to be affiliate links right here, and this guy gives out 20% discounts, etc., etc. So how do we actually go ahead and do something very similar to what this person has done? So we can get on Google, we can go ahead and get some comments and likes and all that sort of stuff. And more importantly, people clicking onto our stuff. You want to go to medium.com and you want to sign up and you want to go ahead and create an article. Now you can create these for completely free. So that's what you want to do, is you want to go ahead and create an article, and you will make money doing that once you get traffic from Google right here. Now, another way that you can actually do this, you can have your own website. You can actually make a Medium website for free. Then you can go to Reddit and you can find people who are looking for the best groups. And you can go ahead and you can comment, and like this guy has, I've created a library of algorithmic trading strategies, and you can link your website and people could potentially click on it from there. And you will also get traffic from Reddit, and you will get signals for Google to rank your website higher in Google. So this is a really great way to go ahead and get your content out there. All right. Now, another great way is to go ahead and use YouTube. And what you can do is you can use YouTube to do videos as well. If we go top trading groups, what happens is people are going to be doing videos on the top trading groups. You could also use ChatGPT to actually create these videos as well. And then all you do is in the description, you want to list your groups and affiliate links inside the description to make money with this. But you are going to have to create content. That is the key to actually doing this. All right, guys, super easy way to make money online. Use Whoop. Go to those specific courses, pick a niche, create content, and put out your affiliate links. I'll see you guys in the next video.